Srimati. Let's all give our big hands. Okay, so sorry, they are the eldest great granddaughter of Dogma Sayo, Srimati Zothandri Sayo is the youngest great granddaughter of Dogma Sayo, and ma'am, Mrs. Zothandri Sayo is the eldest great granddaughter of Dogma Sayo. Let's all give our big hands. We have a powerful man. In this noble age, we will proudly celebrate Srimati Zulfam Sar's birthday.
मैं आप लोग को लंबे लंबे भाषण नहीं दूंगी क्योंकि आप लोग ने बहुत भाषण सुना है और हमारी माँ और बहन के बाद हमारे भाई साहब जो भाषण देंगे तो मेरा भाषण बड़ा फीका हो जाएगा। तो मेरा फीका भाषण में मैं छोटी सी से दरख्वास्त करूँगी कि जिस धरती से हमारा महाराज वीर विक्रम यहाँ से आए हैं, आपके your forefathers, we are all warriors, and my mother has just spoken to you of the great past, the great areas that was conquered by our forefathers, by your forefathers. Because we were all a strong team, we were all fighters. So when my mother says about good genetic seeds, I would also say we were fighters and we still are fighters. We may be fewer in numbers, but that doesn't matter. Just like till the end, as you heard about the story of Prithviraj Chauhan, he killed his enemy and he died. So we all have to know that we are also brave people. We have that blood in us. My family has always been here and we will always be here to support our people. So don't just generalize and think that I am an MP. More than an MP, I am one of you. I thank our postal services head, Master Sir, for taking so much of time and helping us to take out this lovely stamp. Thank you everyone for your contribution to make this. I don't think so I have a lot to say after what my mother has spoken and my sister has spoken. And they are great speakers. My sister, Maharaj Kumari Pragya Devan, who has always been a great inspiration, puts in all her hard work. She was here the whole night. And I would especially like to thank all of them, all the people who were here to make this program such a successful program. And thank you everyone for making it